You ready?
Aisha. Oh, close. Oh, Ben can walk.
You're so good at walking, aren't you? You can run and jump. Elijah's just learning.
Oh, he's a baby. Good walking. Hi, Lisa. Oh, we got you, Ben.
Ready? What?
Oh my gosh. Come on. Good job. Here comes Ben. Oh.
Come here, walk with me, okay?
Wow, you're smart, Ben.
Come get the ball. Come here, come Elijah. Look. Tell Elijah to come to you, Ben.
Oh, he did it. Nice. Ben's weapon is stuck in the blind. Here comes Ben again. Oh, I love you. I miss you so much.
Ready?
Well, we're taking a video for Grandma Koski and everybody to see. Woo! We're gonna put it on the computer.
Okay, ready?
Oh, that was so good. Yay! And that's Elijah's walking. Here, Ben, can you walk? Oh, he made it to JoJo. With his sword. That might throw him off balance. Oh. Do you have Cocoa Pebbles on your face? Some chocolate.
Yes.
That a boy. Have chocolate on your face.
My boy.
Elijah. Okay. Ben, can you say bye-bye, everybody?
Bye-bye, everybody.
Oh. Bye-bye. Oh, my gosh.
He totally just learned that like a couple of minutes ago.
Bye-bye.
He just said that for the first time this morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. Bye-bye.
Good job, Elijah.
Oh, my heck. You guys are gone for so long.
I know.
Bye-bye, Elijah. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Come to me. Bye-bye. Oh, here comes the crab. Here comes a crab and a little boy saying bye-bye. Come on, little crab. Close. Oh, I see the pinchers. Oh no, here comes pinchers. I know, he calls really fast. Pinchers. Oh, should we put these pinchers on the internet?
Should we put them on the computer? And Grandma Koski can see it, and Grandma Smith, and Papa Smith, and Papa Koski.
And Bella.
Yes.
Oh, Elijah's going to play Xbox. Okay, see you, everybody.